In this video, I'm going to show you how I built my Facebook Friends map. What you'll see here is essentially a hub and spoke diagram with me at the middle and all of my friends at the end. And there's lines connecting me to each of my friends. I've also color-coded it by whether my friend is male or female. The trick in Tableau in drawing these lines is that you have to define both the beginning and the end points. I connected to a text file and then chose the custom SQL option. When Tableau reads in the custom SQL, it sees all of the fields in your data source. But the key is that you have to add 3 additional columns. One is for the relationship, so this is the user to their friend. And then the second is you need to define your beginning point. So this is going to be the user latitude and the user longitude. But you'll notice that I gave them the name geolat and geolong. I'm going to need to use those again later for the endpoint. From there, I copy all of the text, enter a union all, and paste it in. So essentially I'm connecting the data to itself. However, I need to change these last 2 lines. I need to make this one my friend latitude and make this one my friend longitude. This gives me the endpoints. Once I do that, I can hit OK, and then Tableau is connected to that data. So to build the map, all I have to do is click on geolatitude and geolongitude, and I get a map. This map represents me, my friends, and all of my friends' friends, so 2 degrees of separation. In this example, I only want to look at me and my friends, so I'm going to drag username into the filter, choose myself, and hit OK. Now I simply see a map of me and all of my friends. So the idea I want is I want to be able to connect all of these. So if I just change my mark type to line, you'll see that Tableau connects the friends, but not really in the way I want. That's why I had to build the relationship field. So when I drag that onto the level of detail, I'm instantly done. Now I have a map of me connected to all of my friends. So I could then from there do a little bit of formatting. So I'm going to drag gender onto the color shelf, but there's tons of overlap. So I'm going to make my lines a little bit thinner, change the color, add some transparency, and then put nice little circles on the end. And I finished my friend map. But one thing that I found really cool is that I'd like to be able to animate this over time so I can see how my friend network was built. So I'm going to drag the date field, which represents the date that I became friends with each of these people, onto the page itself. It's a right-click drag. And then I'm going to choose month continuous. I could do it by day, but the time takes too long. So I'm going to hit OK. And now you can see I joined Facebook on July 2008, and I had about 40 friends. From there, I'm going to choose the Show History option, choose to show the history for all marks, and I don't want to fade any of them out. And then from there, all I need to do is play it. And you can see that my friend map gradually builds out. So I was living in Atlanta in 2008 when I first joined Facebook. And you can see that gradually my friend network built. I traveled overseas to Vietnam, so you can see some people over there. And then as we approach 2012, you'll see in July of 2012 that I joined Facebook. So we're going to get there in just a minute. But it's pretty interesting to see how your friend network can build over time. So now we're in September 2011. And you can't see too much right now. There hasn't been a lot of change. But you will notice that come July 2012, suddenly my center moved over to the San Francisco Bay Area. And that's it.